Sunshine and spring are on the way. Are you getting ready to garden? You might find this interesting. I am so glad you're watching. For those who don't know me, I'm Lori Click with RE/MAX Realty Specialist. I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and Lake Monticello areas. Today's video contains 3 weird gardening hacks to get ready for spring. Hack number 1, plastic forks. Place the handles of plastic forks in the ground around your plants with the prongs up to scare away animals. Hack number 2, packing peanuts. Use packing peanuts in the bottom of your planters and pots to help with drainage without adding any weight. Hack number 3, old wine and beer bottles. Recycle old wine or beer bottles to use as slow watering vessels for plants. Fill with water and turn upside down, sticking the neck into the soil. For more weird gardening hacks, comment below or email me at loriclick@remax.net. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel out. I don't want you to miss a video, so smash the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Until next week, this is where home is always first, and your new home is only a click away.